feeling this way. Hop another pill, pop another drink. Tell my brothers and my sisters that it's keeping me sane. Figure I'm